Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So the daily is starting to pull back quite a bit at this key Fibonacci level that I was watching. Now, that doesn't mean that it has to be a trend reversal. It definitely doesn't. It possibly could just end up being a pullback to this last wave up, especially because most of the other yen pairs don't really look like they're quite ready for the big turn yet. So potentially, if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we do have a bigger structure on the 1 hour time frame. So we definitely can justify looking for shorts now, in my opinion. Put your Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up. While we're looking for shorts, if it turns into a complete trend reversal and just makes lower lows, lower highs the whole way down, then great news. We're looking for shorts anyways. While we're looking for shorts, if it starts to turn into a very overlapping pattern and goes to maybe the 50 to 61%, turns back up and breaks structure, then we would at that point stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Because like we always say, the trend is your friend, and the higher time frame is definitely up. This move down definitely could just be a pullback to the uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.